Hello, thank you for tuning into our video. Our last video covered the overview of our new 10-inch screen. Now in this video, I will show you how to input a design and do the necessary steps to get you stitching. Now let's get started. As you can see, we are in the home screen right now. When your machine arrives, you will see the USA design already installed on your screen. In order to load a different design, you will need to turn off your embroidery mode to remove the design currently on display. Once we go ahead and turn off the embroidery mode, we need to go to the design management page. Here you will be able to see all the designs already loaded onto your computer. Here you will select the design, and when you do, make sure the design you choose is highlighted as shown here. Once you have your design highlighted, we can now proceed to the next menu. Remember, you do have two options to move from menu to menu. You can click the arrows at the bottom of the screen or the tabs located towards the top. Now we are in the Design Parameter Setting menu. Most of your parameters will already be set when you upload the design, since these are done when the digitizer creates the design in the software. The main icon you are going to use is the direction icon. You will use this icon to rotate your design, and you'll use this icon to preview any changes. So if I want to flip a design upside down for caps and I'm not selecting a cap frame, I need to push the directional icon twice. In this screen, we cannot go backwards to get the design back to its original orientation. Therefore, we need to press the directional icon button again 6 times or until the letter P is back to its normal state. We can preview our design again by pushing the design preview icon. Now that we have the design and the orientation we want, we can move on to our next menu. Note, when you select the cap frame, it will automatically flip the design for you. Also, you cannot flip the design's orientation if the embroidery mode is selected. Now we go to our color sequence of our design. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see the color sequence. On the right, you will see the colors that are assigned to the needle. Now I choose the colors I want for this specific design. You will notice once I start pushing the colors I want, the design above will start changing to the colors I am assigning. Once I am done inputting my color sequence that I want, we can go to the last menu, our home menu. Now that we have customized our design and went through all the menus, we can load the design by turning on the embroidery mode. Be sure to confirm. The design loads onto the screen as shown here. Now I can select the frame I'd like to use with the frame select icon. In this frame, you will see there is no frame selected. You will need to hit the frame icon and a pop-up window will appear. Here I can select the frame I'd like to use. You will notice that you have all 12 frames already preset for the frames Redline offers. You have your standard round that we are all familiar with. Now we do sell square hoops that are also already preset for you here. Frame 11 will be your cap frame. Again, when you are choosing the frame, it will automatically flip the design for you. And frame 12 will be the patch frame. So I have no frame selected on the machine, so I will go ahead and select the one that I need for the design. Once you select it, you will see the pantograph move and find the center of this hoop. You will see on the screen that the design is now centered in this hoop I've selected. This icon shown here will trace your design. If we go ahead and click on it, you will see the pantograph moving as it outlines the design on the screen. Remember, before stitching any design, you always trace the design before starting any project. If you don't like the placement of the design after doing the trace, we can use the pantograph directional arrows to adjust accordingly. Remember, the speed of the pantograph shows with triangles. 1 triangle for slow mode and 2 for fast. Once I have adjusted the design to the location I want, we can exit this window. Now we are all set to start stitching. This is your start and stop button. When the light is red, it is in stop mode. And when the button is blue, it means you are stitching. Now we are all done with our design we have loaded and customized using the Redline 10-inch interface. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel for our new videos as well as our Facebook page. Thank you again for watching.